gonna have a great time doing it. So we're gonna wait for our gauge. I got it where I wanted at 35 psi. Now this may be a little high. Good afternoon, Defiant Jeep. Excuse me. All right, today we find ourselves in my garage again. And today's project is this steel plate. Now, this steel plate may not seem like much. It is 3/8 inch steel plate with little 45-degree curves on the ends, and it actually has 3 mounting points. Now, what we're gonna do, the purpose of this plate is for the back seat. Now, a lot of us carry passengers in the 3-row back seat or carry a lot of weight, but especially for the rear passengers, they may have said something to you where the center section actually sags. What this plate is going to do is reinforce that center section of the 60 part of your folding back seat, reinforce it so it doesn't sag anymore. And guys like me that carry a lot of equipment, this is also going to help me out because I just fold my seats down, and or even when I don't fold my seats down, I just load the back of my Jeep with all kinds of equipment, supplies, tools, you name it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you real quick on how to install this. Real simple install, just only takes a couple minutes. Now, the package does come with 3 zip ties, which we're going to utilize. In fact, we're going to go ahead and prepare this plate. Let's install the zip ties right now. So what we're going to do, we are going to route the zip ties to the 3 mounting points. Now, be very careful with these zip ties. I mean, I know this is a no-brainer, but a lot of us, you, me, everyone else, we tend to get in a hurry. And we tend to slide the zip ties where the teeth are not getting the contact point. So let's just make sure that we prepare them with the teeth catching the contact point. All right. So I got that there. That is 2. Make sure the teeth are in the right position. And here goes number 3. We're going to go up this one about halfway, and then slide it in. So now your prepared end product will look something similar like this. It's your plate, and let me get some light in here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you got the 3 zip ties in the 3 mounting positions. Now, as we're looking at it, with this one that's only got a half bar, this is going to be your driver's side. So this right here is towards the front of the driver's side of the back seat. So that's exactly how we're going to mount it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get under the back seat. We're going to slide in the larger end first, and then we're going to lift the foam cushion a little bit enough to get this over the bracket, and then we'll get all the zip ties in position and tighten down. And of course, we're going to cut off the excess. And now that I mentioned that, let me get a pair of side cutters. Where is my... Good lordy, who's been in my toolbox? Well, fellas, you know that's unacceptable. Don't let nobody go through your toolbox, man. Jiminy Crickets, where are you? There we go. Side cutters, or dikes, wire clips, whatever you want to call them. Alrighty, so let me go ahead and see if I can get you to the bottom of the back seat so you can see how I install this. Oops. Let's go get you prepared. Okay, so we got you here facing the underbelly of the rear seat. I've got my plate in its correct orientation, and with the zip ties already mounted on there, let's go ahead and we're first going to try and wedge the larger part in here. Now, with the zip ties on there, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, only because it's just a little added girth and whatnot, but we're going to do our best to get this done, and I hope I can get this done in a professional manner where you guys don't make fun of me at the end of the day. But you probably will anyways, and that's okay. I'm always good for a joke. I don't care. So we're going to That's gonna be tough. Oh, there we go. I got something. Okay, so move that forward. Let me take a look with my big head. Now, okay, we're good to go so far. Now, the problem we're having right now is these zip ties. So, what we're gonna do is I happen to bring a little teeny screwdriver with me. See if I can grab this and bring it over. Oh, I think I got it. Wow. Well, that was easier than I thought. Good Lord. All right, so now this is ready to tie on. Let's get the other ones prepared. If I can get the sun out of my eyes, see what I'm doing, it'd probably be easier for me, right? If I can get this guy in a good spot. Is this it? No. Where's the other one? This guy. That's gonna be that fella. So. Oh, FedEx guy. Bonitos de FedEx. All right, got it. One more to go. All right, at this part we're good to go. Let's go ahead and we're going to zip our plate into position. Since it's already in a good spot, we're just going to tighten up these guys right here. And let's just keep it from flapping around back and forth because we're tying it on this little rod right here. And it doesn't take a lot. It's not a hard job, but for the position that you're in, it can be a little bit difficult only because it's in such a weird position, you know? Ugh. That thing is trying to do this one-handed. That's gonna be the tricky part. Keep your finger from cramping. Yeah, good luck with that, by the way. And I got it. All right, and there you have it. The plate is installed. Let's just cut off the excess. Whew, my good Lord, the sun's in my eye. This always happens to me. There's one. That's two. All right. Chaka, chaka. Get the sun out of my eyes so I can cut this thing. That one ain't gonna be all detrimental since I can see it right over there. All right, and there you have it. Whew. Alrighty, folks, and there you have it. One rear seat support installed. If you're interested in this product, I will leave the link for this product below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We also have all of our connections on Facebook, Twitter, Rumble, Instagram, and of course YouTube. Don't forget to connect with us there. And also don't forget to join the Defiant Wranglers.club. We'd love to see you on the trails. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.